I searched how to buy shares of New Gold Inc. to demonstrate the steps. New Gold Inc. is a gold mining company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NGD. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you usually must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NGD to find New Gold Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed equity to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the listing name and ticker to confirm you are on the correct New Gold Inc. page. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.